Want to import furniture from China but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. China actually makes about 40% of the world's furniture. That's a huge opportunity for you to find great quality at competitive prices. We've helped hundreds of businesses do this successfully. Let's walk through the exact steps we use. First, you need to do your homework. Look at what's selling in your market right now. Is it modern sofas, solid wood dining tables, or maybe outdoor sets? Check prices on retail sites to see your potential margin. Last year, we saw a 25% increase in demand for modular furniture. Knowing this helps you pick the right product from the start. Now, let's find suppliers. Platforms like Alibaba or Made in China have thousands of furniture factories. But here's the thing, not all of them are reliable. We recommend looking for suppliers with trade assurance and at least 3 years of operation. You can also check upcoming furniture trade shows in cities like Guangzhou or Shanghai to meet them in person. Finding a supplier is one thing, verifying them is another. You must check their business license, export history, and any quality certifications like ISO 9001. We always visit the factory if possible. Last month, we found that 30% of factories listed online were actually just trading companies. You want to work with the real manufacturer. Never, ever skip this step. Always order a sample before you commit to a large order. It might cost you $200 to $500, but it's worth it. Check the material, the finish, the stitching, and how it assembles. We once saved a client $15,000 because their sample chair had a wobbly leg. Test it yourself, don't just trust photos. Okay, the sample is good. Now it's time to negotiate. Talk about the price per unit, but also the minimum order quantity, or MOQ. Can you start with 50 pieces instead of 200? Discuss payment terms, 30% deposit and 70% before shipment is standard. Get everything in a clear contract. This protects both you and the supplier. When production is about 80% complete, you need a quality inspection. Our team goes to the factory and checks a random sample of the batch, usually about 20% of the order. We look for defects, measure dimensions, and test function. Catching issues here saves you from receiving a container of faulty goods. It's a non-negotiable step. Shipping is a big part of your cost. For furniture, sea freight is usually the way to go. Shipping a 40-foot container from China to the US West Coast costs around $3,500 to $4,500 right now and takes 3 to 4 weeks. Air freight is faster but can be 4 to 5 times more expensive. Plan this early to avoid delays. Before your furniture sales, you need the right paperwork. The supplier should provide a commercial invoice, a packing list, and a certificate of origin. You'll need these for customs clearance in your country. Missing or incorrect documents are the number one reason for port delays. We review every document for our clients. Let's talk about common mistakes. The biggest one is ordering bulk without a sample. Another is poor communication. Be clear and confirm everything in writing. And never skip the quality inspection. We've seen businesses lose thousands by rushing these steps. Take your time and follow the process.